SOLIDWORKS 2018 delivers some great new capabilities that enhance existing sketch workflows. Let's go ahead and finish the design of this support bar. Giving you more flexibility when working with arcs and splines, you can now switch the tangency direction using the new option on the right mouse button menu. This new option eliminates the need to delete and recreate the entity. That could otherwise cause a downstream failure of reference features. Now when working with 3D sketches, you can build in symmetry at any time by mirroring sketch entities. And not only that, planes can also now be used as a mirror reference in both 2D and 3D sketches. Symmetric relations are captured and maintained, giving you a visualization of the complete shape as you refine your design. Now you can build in all the design intent you need right from the start. No matter what you're designing, all these new capabilities in 2018 make working with sketch geometry easier and even more intuitive.